The world is changing, and so is the way we power it. Today, we're diving deep into the cutting-edge world of renewable energy technologies. Clean, powerful, and here to reshape the future. First up, solar energy. At the heart of it are photovoltaic cells, materials that convert sunlight directly into electricity. From rooftop panels to massive solar farms, solar is now one of the fastest-growing sources of energy. And with innovations like perovskite cells and solar skins, efficiency is rising while costs drop. Next, wind energy. Modern wind turbines harness the kinetic energy of wind and convert it into clean power. They're taller, smarter, and more efficient than ever. Offshore wind farms, built miles out at sea, are now generating gigawatts of electricity with the help of floating turbine platforms and AI-driven blade optimization. Hydropower is one of the oldest renewable technologies, and still one of the most powerful. Massive dams generate electricity by channeling water through turbines. But now, micro-hydro systems are enabling off-grid communities to power homes with just a stream. New designs are also helping to reduce environmental impact, giving ecosystems a better chance to thrive. Deep beneath our feet lies an untapped force: geothermal energy. By drilling into hot rock layers, we can extract heat to generate electricity or warm buildings. With enhanced geothermal systems, engineers are expanding access far beyond volcanic zones. It's a 24/7 power source, no sun or wind required. Not all energy comes from wind, water, or sunlight. Bioenergy uses organic materials, like plant matter, agricultural waste, and even algae, to produce heat, power, and fuel. Advanced biogas systems can turn waste into electricity, while second-generation biofuels offer cleaner alternatives for transport. Renewables are powerful, but storing and distributing that energy is just as critical. That's where energy storage comes in. From massive lithium-ion battery farms to pumped hydro systems and new flow battery tech, storage helps balance supply and demand. Meanwhile, smart grids use real-time data to optimize energy flow, prevent outages, and even let homes sell power back to the system. From solar rooftops to turbines at sea, from deep underground heat to smart cities powered by green energy, the future is here, and it's renewable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more clean energy innovations.